Hi students, in this video some more questions I am going to explain. Find the derivative of tan inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Before going to solve this sum, observe the term which is in bracket. Before bracket we have tan inverse. Inside bracket we have 2x by 1 plus x square. Whenever we have tan inverse before the bracket, you must change to this function into tan ratio. So here, if you place tan theta in the place of x, it becomes 2 in the place of x, write tan theta, 2 tan theta by 1 plus, write in the place of x, tan theta, 1 plus tan square theta. This is formula for tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now here, right, given function is tan inverse 2x by 1 plus x. Now substitute tan theta in the place of x. So this y becomes tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula for tan 2 theta. So I am writing tan 2 theta. Here tan inverse of tan theta is tan theta. You know this formula? Tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. Tan inverse tan gets cancelled. We left with theta. Here tan inverse tan gets cancelled. We left with 2 theta. So I am writing 2 theta. This is fine. Now we are differentiating this function dy by dx, that is 2 in the place of theta. See here x is equal to tan theta. Theta becomes, theta is equal to, send this tan this side, it will become tan inverse x. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now in the place of theta I am writing tan inverse x. Now differentiate this. 2 into derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x, 1 by 1 plus x. So dy by dx of this function is 2 1 2 by 1 plus x. This will be the required answer. Next question is find the derivative of sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x. Here in the bracket we have 2x by 1 plus x. It must be in sine ratio because before bracket we have sine inverse, so we must change this term into in sine trigonometric ratio, sine ratio. So in the place of x write sine theta, sorry tan theta, write 2 tan theta. So that becomes 2 tan theta by 1 plus, in the place of x if I write tan theta, it becomes tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is formula for sine 2 theta. Whereas 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. This is formula for tan 2 theta. See, difference is only minus present symbol here. Here plus symbol, here minus symbol. 1 plus tan square theta. That is formula for sine 2 theta. Now we have to use this ratio. Now see, let us simplify the given equation. Given function is sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Sine inverse, in the place of x I am writing tan theta, 2 tan theta by 1 plus, in the place of x I am writing tan theta. So here we have square, so I added square, 1 plus tan square theta. Now sine inverse theta, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is equal to sine 2 theta. So I am writing here sine 2 theta. Sine inverse sine gets cancelled. We left with 2 theta. This is function, simplified function. Now we are going to differentiate it. dy by dx. In the place of theta, we have to write theta in terms of x. So here x is equal to tan theta. In the beginning, we assumed as x is equal to tan theta. Now theta is equal to, send this tan this side, it will become tan inverse x. Now in the place of theta, I am writing tan inverse x. Now I am differentiating it. Constant rate as it is. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. This is equal to 2 1 2 by 1 plus x square. This is the required answer. Find the derivative of sin inverse 3x minus 4x. So here in the bracket we have 3x minus 4x. Before bracket we have sin inverse. That means we must change this 3x minus 4x cube in terms of sin. We know one formula, sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta. That is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So now we are using this. Say theta is equal to x is equal to sin theta. From this, theta is equal to, send this sin this side, it will become sin inverse x. Finally, we have to substitute this sin inverse x in the place of theta. Now write given equation, sin inverse of 3x minus 4x. This is given function. Now sin inverse of 3 into, in the place of x write sin theta. 3 sin theta minus 4. In the place of x I am writing sin theta. It has cube, so put this cube here. It will become 4 sin theta. Now sin inverse of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. It will be equal to sin 3 theta. So I am writing sin 3 theta. Sin inverse sin gets cancelled. We left with 3 theta. So y is equal to 3 theta. Y is equal to 3. In the place of theta, we have to write sin inverse x. So I am writing here sin inverse x. Now this is the simplified function. Now we are differentiating it. dy by dx. So 3 is constant. I am writing as it is. Derivative of sin inverse x, we know it. That is 1 by square root of 1 minus x. So 3 ones 3 by square root of 1 minus x. Find the derivative of cos inverse 4x minus 3x. 4x cube minus 3x. See here, in bracket we have, excuse me, 4x cube minus 3x. This must be in terms of cos. So here, cos 3 theta formula is hidden here. So take x is equal to cos theta. From this, theta is equal to cos inverse x. Now substitute cos theta in the place of x. Y is equal to cos inverse 4 into, I am writing x, cos theta in the place of x, cos cube theta minus 3 into, in the place of x I am writing cos theta. This is equal to cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. That is formula for cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta formula, remember, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now cos inverse and cos gets cancelled, we left with 3. This is simplified function. Now we have to differentiate dy by dx. 3. Here we are differentiating this function with respect to x. But here is no x. That means we have to change this theta in terms of x. So here theta is equal to cos inverse x. In the place of x, now we have to substitute this cos inverse x and then differentiate. So write constant as is. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x. I am writing this formula here. Derivative of cos inverse x with respect to x, that is minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x. Now this becomes plus into minus minus 3 1 3 by square root of 1 minus x. This will be our final answer. derivative of let us find derivative of root x with respect to 2x. See here, we know this formula, that is derivative of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Using this formula, let us derivate this root x function. Write this root x as x to the power of 1 by 2. Whenever we have root, write 1 by 2. If you have cube root of x, write 1 by 3 on the variable. Right. Now, here 1 by 2 is the power, that is n. Write this power first, then variable rate x. Subtract 1 from this. 1 by 2 minus 1. Then 1 by 2 into x. 1 minus half, that is minus half. 1 by 2. Whenever we have power in numerator, write in denominator, that is 1 by x to the power of, it becomes 1 x to the power of plus 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 x to the power of 1 by 2 written as root x. That means derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Remember this. Now using this, let us solve this question. So for this derivative of root x with respect to x is 1 by 2 root x. So let us solve this question. Find the derivative of y is equal to square root of 2x minus 3 plus square root of 7 minus 3. Now I am writing dy by dx. Say this is function, right? Square root of, consider this 2x minus 3 as x. This will become root x. So derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So I am writing 1 by 2 in the place of write x, 2x minus. Again, this 2x minus 3 is not x. So once again we have to differentiate this 2x minus plus, see this is in the form of square root of x. Derivative of square root of x is 1 by 2 root x means 7 minus 3. This is not x. 7 minus 3x is not x. So again we have to differentiate this 7 minus 3x. Now 1 by 2 root of 2 into root of 2x minus 3. Derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of 3 is 0. Plus 1 by 2 into square root of 7 minus 3x. Derivative of 7 is 0. Derivative of minus 3x is minus 3. So I am writing here minus 3. This becomes 2 minus 0 is nothing but 2. This 2 gets cancelled. We left with 1 by square root of 2x minus 3. Here plus 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Plus into minus minus 3 by 2 into square root of 7 minus 8. This is the required differentiation. So write dy by dx is equal to 1 by square root of 2x minus 3 minus 3 by 2 into root of 7 minus 8. Find the derivative of 7 to the power of x square x cube plus 3x. See here, whenever we have a number in base, you must use this formula, that is derivative of a power x. Derivative of a power x with respect to x is a power x ln a. Now I am using this formula, ln a or log a, you can write it. So d dx of dy by dx is equal to 7 to the power of x cube plus 3x. Now we are differentiating is, this is y, given function is y. Now we are differentiating. Treat this x cube plus 3x as x. Then it will become 7 to the power of x. Is 7 to the power of x. That means in the form of a power x. A power x. Here a is 7. So use this formula. A power x log a. So a power x means here x cube plus 3x log a log 7. Again, this is not x. So once again we have to differentiate this x cube plus 3x. 7 to the power of x cube plus 3x into log 7. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of 3x is 3. So this will be the required answer. dy by dx is equal to 7 to the power of x cube plus 3x into log 7 into 3x square plus derivative of x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 30 whole to the power of. Assume x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 30 as x. It will look like x to the power of 100. That means x to the power of n. So we know derivative of x to the power of n. That is n into x to the power of n minus 1. So write this n first. Given function is y is equal to x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 30 whole to the power of 100. First write the power. I am writing 100. Then write this base, that is x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 30. It is not x really. So once again we have to differentiate this x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 30. So this will be equal to 100 into x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 30. Now derivative of 3x square. Bring this 3 forward and here write x. Reduce this power by 1. It will become x square plus 2 6 are 12. X. Reduce this power by 1. That means 1. 12 into x. Here 1. Write 1 into 12 12. Reduce this power x. 1 minus 1 means 0. X to the power of 0 is 1. So 12x. Derivative of 12x is 1. Derivative of constant 13 is gives. So no need of writing this 0. This will be our final answer. Right? Dy by dx is equal to 100 into x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 30 into 3x square plus 12x plus 1. Don't try to simplify this expression. Thank you for watching my video.